exciting wellness and self-care initiative called Thrive that I want to tell you a little bit about. So as an institution with the School of Counseling and the School of Ministry, Richmont is very passionate about making sure that all of our students, staff, and faculty have wellness as a priority in their life. And that's really important because as a faith-based institution, we know that God calls us to steward all the resources that we have to further His kingdom work on earth. And part of that means we have to take care of ourselves and we have to know our limits so that we can invest in the world and in our careers and in our families in ways that are really impactful and meaningful. So while you're a student at Richmont, we are going to have wellness as a part of our campus culture. You will get to participate in initiatives and events and meetings where you will get to focus on your own wellness and self-care, where you'll get to participate in events and different ways that we will invite you to do that as part of our community. And you'll also have an opportunity to develop your own personal wellness plan while you're a student at Richmont. So because wellness and self-care are so important to us, we hope that Thrive permeates our whole campus culture. Our faculty, staff, and administration really have wellness as a top priority and really focus on that a lot. And we hope that it just seeps down and permeates all aspects of your experience as a student.